All right. Hey Tim, my name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways on how you can increase your traffic online and beat your competition. Okay, so real quick, we're going to talk about the first thing um, is content. Content is anything that is on your website, okay, even what pictures are saved as. Okay, so as we scroll down here, I like your website, all right. There's a couple things that I would fix. Let's see, the save image as. So what it should say, O'Keefe Fleet of Trucks, exactly. So you want to have your business name saved as these pictures because Google is going to come through and start ranking your business and start putting you in front of more customers if you do all of the content needs. Okay, so Google likes this, Google hates that. You know, they're very nitpicky about certain things, but I'm glad you have that saved as that. Okay. Now, the next thing. Number 2 out of 3 today. The second thing we're talking about is citations, okay? A citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number, okay? Now sometimes address isn't necessarily needed for businesses, which is totally fine because businesses come to you, okay? Plumbing services come to you, the customer, okay? So that's totally fine, but that's what a citation is. That's something that you definitely need to know as a business, and I'm glad you guys have your Google My Business page set up here. All right. So when I look up plumbers, Oyster Bay, New York, first thing I get is Google Guaranteeds. Okay. And then I get the Google Map Packs, which is this. This is the Google Map Pack. You got some businesses in here too. Okay. One thing to note, I think it's definitely worth doing Google Guaranteed instead of just regular Google ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their smartphones and their website, or I'm sorry, their laptops. Okay, so that's something to take note in. Google Guarantee is really good, so we'll try and get you onto the front page of this Google Map Pack and getting your Google My Business to pop up or your Google Guaranteed to pop up. Okay, and then we start getting down into the organic listings, but these are directories. Okay, a directory is simply another website that business owners can put their information on. Okay, so like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. Okay, the organic listings starts when the first business actually pops up. So like their website. So Minutemen Sewer and Drain. So they're doing something right to be on the front page of Google when you type in Plumbers, Oyster Bay, New York. Okay, and the third and last thing I'm talking with you about today is backlinks. Okay, they have a lot to do with the organic section. And one thing to note is that not all backlinks are created equal, but backlinks are pretty much different websites that are pointing to your website, and they have potential to bring in more traffic to you. Okay, so let's take a look at your business analytics here real quick. O'Keefe Plumbing. You guys have a URL rating of 18 out of 100, okay, and that's how much trust that Google has in your business. And the domain rating, you guys are sitting at a 0 out of 100, and that's how much power that Google gives to your website. Okay, so this is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. So they pay Google for these analytics and these numbers, okay? And there's the backlinks I was talking about. So 27 referring domains give you 568 backlinks. Okay, you guys are bringing 33 people a month coming and visiting your website, and you guys are bringing around $500 a month with your website. Organic keywords, let's see what you guys are ranking for. Because what we want to do is, when we take a look at volume, which is monthly people who are searching this keyword, again monthly, and we want to make sure we get you into that first position for each keyword. So O'Keefe Plumbing, you guys are obviously ranking first because it's your name. O'Keefe, O'Keefe, O'Keefe. Which is fine. Excuse me. We want to rank you for keywords like plumbers near me. What else is a good one? Sewer, pipe leak, Oyster Bay, New York, or I don't know if you guys do 24/7 help, but stuff like that. Keywords, I'm going to show you 2 competitors real quick and see what they're ranking for. Keywords are super powerful because think if you guys were ranking first for Keith Plumbing, that's an extra 400 customers per month that you could possibly be closing if you were in the first position. What could 400 extra customers a month do for your business? I'm sure that could help you guys out tremendously. That could change people's lives, seriously. So this stuff is, you definitely got to take note in this. Definitely remember this stuff. Okay, this is super important. So again, here's Minutemen, Sewer and Drain. Their website's okay. These are their analytics. They have 25 out of 100 and a 10 out of 100. They have 429 backlinks. So having spammy backlinks is going to keep this number low. Okay, so some businesses have thousands of backlinks, and yet they'll still have a 0 because Google will see that the backlinks are just spammy, so they're not giving the website any power. All right, so they got a lot of work to do as well. Let's see what they're ranking for keywords wise. Minuteman, plumber, Oyster Bay. See, 80 people look for that monthly. You break, I fixed your park. We'll fix it. Plumbing, Huntington, plumbers. Extra 100 customers a month you could be getting if we're ranking in the first position here. And here, that would be awesome, getting an extra 200 customers a month. Here's Deacon Plumbing. Their website is garbage. Their numbers are low because, again, they have a lot of work to do as well. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. At the end of the day, though, I'm just the guy who could possibly help you out with all this. You're the hero of your business, okay? Whatever dreams and goals you may have, this could be the next step. Every business needs a social media and website. They need to have that kind of presence, okay? And as a business owner myself, I like to treat my business as my baby. I'm going to do whatever it takes to take care of that baby. And you should definitely think about your business the same way. Whatever it takes. That's the bottom line. So if you like what I've heard, or like what I said today, if you found what I am saying informative, definitely give me some feedback. I would truly appreciate that. We could talk more about this stuff. We could schedule a short call. Okay, we could talk more. At the end of the day, seriously, enjoy these free tips. If you don't look in working with me, that's totally fine. But businesses who really miss out on this, they tend to fall behind. So it's all what you want to do with your business. All right, I appreciate it. Have a good one.